This video consists of 30 questions that will enhance your skills in grammar using modal verbs in the sentence. After reading each question, you will be given 5 seconds to answer. Answers will be revealed afterwards. I didn't feel very well yesterday. I blank eat anything. A. Cannot. B. Couldn't. C. Mustn't. Correct answer is letter B. Couldn't. You blank look at me when I'm talking to you. A. Could. B. Should. C. Would. Correct answer is letter B. Should. I was using my pencil a minute ago. It blank be here somewhere. A. Could. B. Should. C. Would. Correct answer is B. Must. You're really blank be late again. A. Must not. B. Could not. C. Don't have to be. Correct answer is letter A. Must not. If you don't start working harder, you blank repeat the course next year. A. Have to. B. Must. C. Will have to. Correct answer is C. Will have to. His parents spoil him. He always blank to do whatever he wants. A. Able. B. Been able. C. Been allowed. Correct answer is C. Been allowed. Phone her now. She blank home by now. A. Has to be. B. Must be. C. Could be. Correct answer is letter B. Must be. You blank forget your sun cream. It's going to be very hot. A. Don't have to. B. Mustn't. C. Needn't. Correct answer is B. Mustn't. I blank be able to help you, but I'm not sure yet. A. Might. B. Would. C. Could. Correct answer is letter A. Might. Entrance to the museum was free. We blank to pay to get in. A. Needn't. B. Didn't. C. Didn't have. Correct answer is C. Didn't have. As a child, Leo blank played the piano beautifully. A. Could. B. Should. C. Would. Correct answer is A. Could. Bags at the restaurant blank be left unattended. A. Can. B. Must. C. May. Correct answer is B. Must. I get tired easily. I really blank try to get fit. A. May. B. Must. C. Would. Correct answer is B. Must. I'm your fan. Blank I take a photograph of you. A. May. B. Can. C. Must. Correct answer is A. May. Students blank borrow up to 6 books anytime. A. Must. B. May. C. Can. Correct answer is letter C, can. Whose bag is this? I didn't know, but it blank belonged to Sean. A must, B may, C should. Correct answer is B, may. Blank can go to the bathroom, please. A may, B must, C should. Correct answer is A, may. His excuse blank be true, but I don't believe. A may, B must, C would. Correct answer is A, may. It's very important to blank speak more than one language. A be allowed to, B must, C be able to. Correct answer is letter C, be able to. I don't like blank get up early on a Sunday. A being able to, B being allowed to, or C having to. Answer is letter C, having to. Blank you speak French, just a few words. A can, B should, C would. Correct answer is A, can. Blank you help me move this table at the center. A could, B should, C would. Correct answer is letter A, could. I blanked chalk already before I was 2 years old. A could, B should, C would. Correct answer is A, could. A blank help you, but I don't want to. A can, B might, C shall. Correct answer is letter A, can. Blank, you open the window, please. A may, B shall, C can. Correct answer is C, can. I blank moved the table. It was too heavy. A couldn't, B shouldn't, C mustn't. Correct answer is A, couldn't. He blank put your feet on the cafeteria tables. A must not, B should not, C will not. Correct answer is A, must not. If you continue to practice so hard, you blank be able to beat me before too long. A can, B could, C will. Correct answer is C, will. It's 6 feet deep. Blank you swim. A can, B may, C will. Correct answer is A, can. He can come to the meeting if you want, but he blank. A have to, B don't have to, C must not. Correct answer is letter B, don't have to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.